So, dear student, this is the remaining part of the lesson, the 100 dresses, second part. Now, again, I will explain the lesson. So, see here, I think that's where the Pentrosky live, said Maddie, pointing to a little white house. So, now after some time, Maddie saw a house and said that maybe this white house was the house of Wanda Pentrosky. Wisp of old grasses stuck up here and there along the pathway like thin kittens. So the pieces of the old grasses scattered here and there in the path, and they just look like the baby of cat. It means like thin kittens. The house and its spare little yard looked savvy but clean. Now there was also a little yard in the house of Wanda Pentrosky, and that was also very sad and dirty, but looked very clean. It reminded Maddie of Wanda's one dress. Her faded blue cotton dress, shabby but clean. So when Maddie and Paddy saw the house of Wanda Pentrosky, that is also just like Wanda dress that she wore every day, like blue cotton dress. Same thing here in the house of Wanda's. Her yard look like dirty and not very shining. It just like sad, and there was not very clean in the surrounding, but overall the yard was clean, just like the dress of Wanda Pentrosky. There was not a sign of life about the house. So after notice the condition of the house, they know that there is no life. It means no any person lived in this house. Peggy knocked firmly on the door, but there was no answer. So after some time, Peggy knocked forcefully on the door, but there is no reply. She and Maddie went around to the backyard and knocked there. So she and it means Peggy and Maddie went backside of the house and knocked there. Still there was no answer. Again there is no reply from that side. So it means no anyone lived in that house during that time. There was no doubt about it. The Pentrosky were gone. So after knocking the door, no anyone reply. Then it is clear that Wanda Pentrosky was not live there. How could they ever make amends? So they thought that how we uh, regret our mistake, how I correct our mistakes. That is uh, making fun of Wanda Pentrosky during the school time. So both Maddie and Peggy were very sad. They turned slowly and made their way back down the hill. So now, after all, when they know that Wanda left the house, they turn back to the home and come down from the hill. At that time, they were very sad. Well, anyway, said Peggy, she's gone now. So, what can we do? So now Peggy said that overall, well, that I know Wanda left the house. So what we can do? Beside, when I was asking her about her old dresses, she probably was getting good ideas for her drawings. She might not even have won the contest otherwise. Now in this paragraph, this is focused at now here Peggy defend ourselves. And now she said that when she asked from Wanda about the 100 dresses, like this type of question, due to this, Wanda got an idea about the 100 dresses, and that's why in this way she won the contest. Otherwise, Wanda will never win the contest. So, due to the questioning of Peggy, Wanda have an idea about the 100 dresses, about the design of 100 dresses. In this way, Wanda drawn the design of 100 dresses. So Peggy gave credit of this contest to herself, that due to Peggy, Wanda won the contest of drawing.